how to create custom GPTs in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create Login and Delete. And let's start the video. First thing first, let's open the browser and log into ChatGPT. And in order to create your own custom GPTs, you need to have a ChatGPT Plus account. Go to Explore tab and simply click on Create a GPT. And you will be prompted to the Editor section. On the left hand side, you can see Create and Configure. That is basically the core section for creating your custom GPTs. Here, you will feed the instructions, provide necessary data to interact with the user. And the preview section that you can see on the right hand side is basically a response to what you feed on the editor on the left hand side. This is just a beginner guide. I will guide you the simple steps to create your own custom GPT just by interacting on the Create tab. So on the message bar, be specific on what you want to build. So my first instruction was to create me an SEO expert, you can see here. And on the preview tab, you can see the interaction section is ready with some generated questions. So the first step is ready. Now the GPT builder is asking me for the name. If you're okay with the generated name, you can just go for it. Now, in a while, it will generate you a profile picture and the custom GPT will have its own name and profile picture. If you're happy with it, just go for it. But if you want some changes, you can add some instructions here, or you can go to Configure tab, and from here you can customize the profile picture simply by uploading a custom photo from your PC or desktop. Or you can even use DALL-E and provide it prompts, and on the basis of a prompt, it will generate you a profile picture. So we have our custom GPT with its name and profile picture with a basic set of instructions. Now it is time for us to specialize our ChatGPT or custom GPT more. And the editor is basically asking me for the field of expertise. Like it is asking me where should it specialize, whether it is in the keyword research or on-page optimization, link building, or more technical SEO aspect. And now I have to provide it a prompt for the next set of instructions. And here you can see I have given the instruction to focus on page optimization along with the keyword research. And the GPT is optimized on the basis of my instruction. You can simply go to Configure, and here you can see the description is SEO expert focused on page optimization and keyword research. And the instructions are a set of instructions that you have provided here in the builder section. Now the third part is to set instruction on how to communicate with the users, or basically setting response behavior of your GPT in response to the prompts provided. So I want my GPT to be simple, precise, and capable of responding on the complexity of the prompt, ranging it from the rookie to technical jargon. So for the third part, here is the basic set of instructions and how I want my GPT to respond. Now we are almost at the end, and it is asking me for the things that ChatGPT should avoid while interacting with the users. And if you do have a set of instructions that you want to avoid, you can provide on the message builder, and it will automatically update on its behavior. GPT builder asked me whether I want to add more into the GPTs. For now, I'm completely fine with its shaping. So the GPT is ready. And now we got to go to Configure tab. And from this Configure tab, you can change the set of instructions, whether you want to add or delete some instructions. And for the conversation starters, if you did not like it, you can simply cross it and the conversation starter would be deleted, and you can add your custom conversation starter. And here is the main section of your customized GPT. You need to provide a dataset in the knowledge section to make the response much better and more precise. You can even set the instruction to be limited on the knowledge you provide. You can simply go to instructions and the instruction will be updated. So if you provide huge chunks of data On the knowledge, the better response you will get from your ChatGPT. Simply go to upload files and upload PDF or text files for the dataset. Now, the every response in the preview tab will be based on the knowledge that you have provided or the dataset that you have provided. And in this way, you can create your own custom GPTs on the basis of your need and enjoy it. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.